data is probably the greatest story to tell about modern industry, like modern life probably, but I think about modern industry because what we're really doing at this time across the world, but very much here in Queensland, Australia, is transforming companies from thinking about themselves as manufacturing goods and products to being data companies. Like they might manufacture something, but when they manufacture their cake, it might be that there's data value embedded in the object. It might be their systems data says something. It might be that their customer data says something.
Yeah.
And they might be able to derive value from that data. And then there's supply chain data. So this is where we're seeing companies having to go because industry is going there. So you can be a first mover advantage in understanding the value of your data and trying to do something with it. Or you can be just keeping it safe and starting to understand your own systems better.
Yeah.
Or you can start thinking about it, and this is where people typically start in manufacturing, is thinking about the product and the data that might be informing the product or in the product itself, like artificial intelligence in some way.